What's up, YouTube? It is me, Con Baby, back again with a different video. Today, I will be showing you guys how to do a step-by-step tutorial on how I got this PS5 retail. So stick around to the end of the video. Bang! Right, here are some pretty simple steps on how to get this and how to cop a PS5. Here we go. First step is to get as many devices you can find at your house. Like, let your whole family participate into this, okay? Step number 2, get the apps that offer the PS5. So like Walmart, Best Buy, GameStop, Target, etc, etc. Step number 3, once you got those apps, put your like credit card information, your address, and everything into there. So it should, like, as soon as that pops up, it'll be already there. So it'll be faster. And the final step is to get Twitter or Instagram to help you get the notification when the PS5 releases on Walmart, Best Buy, Target, etc. Alright, for step number 1, you would want to get any device you can get your hands on. I, for instance, was using my phone, my MacBook, my mom's phone, and my brother's phone. Step number 2. It's better to get the apps than to use the website on Safari, because the apps have actually a faster loading time and not as many people think about using the app rather than the website. Like I said before, saving your login information or logging in to all these apps will instantly bring up everything, like all your shipping, all your credit card info instantly, instead of you typing in and wasting essential time that you need. And the final step is probably the most important, is to follow this Twitter account. It's called Site Supply. I will spell it right here, and he pretty much gives you the dates and the exact time any PS5 drops on Walmart, Target, Best Buy, GameStop, all these like big corporations. He will give you a time and a date so you can be prepared and ready to cop that. Another big tip is to put, if you're using your phone, for example, and you don't have all these devices, you put your phone in airplane mode and connect to your Wi-Fi, because Wi-Fi is faster than anything, and airplane mode will block out all the other signals, and Wi-Fi will be the strongest signal. It'll automatically get you faster internet. Also, guys, let me know if you guys want to see more challenges, because I got this microphone here. I can clip it to my chest, and I can be doing more challenges in public, which would be kind of funny, you know what I mean? Just comment down below what you want to see, and I'll probably do it. Also, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. I appreciate that. Subscribe and hit that bell, I guess. I'll be posting more now. I'm doing live streams pretty much every night, so be prepared for that, and peace out, YouTube.